In today's video, we will understand some basic points that are very important for keyword research before doing SEO. Hi viewers, I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. In our previous videos, we have understood what keywords are, types of keywords, and how to use keywords in SEO. Now we will do some practical work. We will use each website and tool for this. Let's start with case study. It happens that you type a keyword and you get a lot of pages, and one of them is a page whose ranking is very good. But the keyword we have typed on that page is nowhere to be found. In some cases, it is the result of black hat SEO, where you change your HTML according to the crawler and the users see different keywords. We will call it blocking. As we talk about it in one of our previous video, I will link that video in the description or at the end of the video. But it is not the part of black hat SEO in every case. Let's understand through an example. For example, if I type a keyword, stylish female dresses in Pakistan. So, my main keyword is stylish women dresses. In Pakistan is my location. I can ignore it, but main keyword is stylish women dresses. As we see our first website, which is number one in Google, the title of this website, New Dress Designs 2024 in Pakistan. Our main keyword is nowhere to be found in the title of this website. As we read the description, our main keyword is also nowhere to be found in this description. So, if this is a top-ranked website, then why we are focusing on keyword research? Let's understand. They are using LSI keywords. Latent semantic indexing keywords are based on our seed keyword theme. These are the synonyms and also called secondary keyword. And through this case study, we come to know that how important LSI keywords are for ranking. So let's understand where you can find LSI keywords. Go to Google and type LSI Keyword Generator. Here you will find LSI Graph. This is the famous website for LSI keywords generating. And you will find here some other websites, other tools for according to your taste. You can choose them. As I prefer LSI Keyword Generator by duplicatechecker.com. This is my favorite. Here I will put my keyword stylish women dresses. Press enter. Now here my LSI keywords are elegant women dresses, classy women dresses, stylish girls dresses. And as I scroll down, yes, elegant women's clothing brands. My main keywords was stylish women clothing, stylish women dresses, but stylish women dress for wedding. All of these are related to my main seed keywords. These are called LSI keywords that are more relevant, more related to the seed keywords. We will use these seed keywords in our website or page to be ranked in Google or any search engine, right? Then we will understand. Then the next part of LSI keywords is Google itself. If I type stylish female dress in Pakistan, here are the suggestions from Google. What is the latest fashion in Pakistan? Women's dress name list. Different types of dresses for ladies. Stylish dresses to Pakistan. Stylish dress brands in Pakistan. All of these are LSI keywords from Google. And if I hit enter and scroll down the page, here we will find people also search for all of these searches. Stylish women dresses in Pakistan with price, stylish women dresses in Pakistan online, Maxing stylish women dresses in Pakistan. All of these suggestions from Google are our LSI keywords because our audience are starting these keywords for to find information through Google. So we should and we always use these keywords in our web page or web post to rank in Google or any search engine. Okay, next part is find questions related to a topic for your keyword research. In this scenario, we will see a website of answerthepublic.com. Answerthepublic.com, right? Type Google in answerthepublic.com. The interface of this website is like this. Here we put an other keyword to understand in a broad way. I will put digital marketing. Here you can change your country. You can change your language. Search. In this website, when you okay, continue with Google. Select a Gmail account. Okay. Here my search result is digital marketing. Use one or two words for best results. My results are here related to digital marketing. Can digital marketing be replaced? Who is digital marketing executive? Why digital marketing course? How digital marketing make money? This is all of these questions are related to our website or web page by our audience. We can put them, all of them, all the most relevant of them to our web page to rank on Google. Or you can simplify or identify them from all modifiers. Button. Will digital marketing work in 2025? Who is the founder of digital marketing? Can I use digital marketing in 2025? You can identify the questions and separate questions. You can say the separate questions from here by these words: which, what, are, where, when, why, how. This is the simplest way to find questions for your website and an amazing way too. So, our next part of the video is find competitors' keywords. You can find your competitors' keywords too for your keyword research to better your keyword research. Like if I type digital marketing in Pakistan, I will use this first website, Institute of Digital Marketing in Pakistan. I will copy the URL of this page. Okay, copy. I will copy the URL of this page. I will go to Google and type keyword density. I will use a tool, or you can say website, SEO review tools, keyword density checker. I will put my copy URL here. I am not here to find keyword density of this page. I am here to find about the keywords this web page is using and the number of keywords that this page is using. Paste, fill the captcha, perform check. This will take few minutes to get your results. Here are our results. Keyword density, one word phrase. Here is one word phrase. One word phrase in digital marketing is this web page is using marketing, digital, course, learn, Facebook. As we scroll down the page, two words phrase, digital marketing, Twitter, YouTube, learn module, marketing course, social media, learn digital, and here we will find frequency of these keywords, that the number of the keywords that they are using 36 times, 10 times, 7 times, 6 times. Next, 3-word phrases. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Digital marketing course, learn digital marketing, months digital marketing, and here's the number 10, 7, 4, 3. So these are the simplest and authentic ways of doing research, keyword research before doing SEO. Remember, before doing SEO, keyword research is very, very, very important for your web page or website strength. So, in this video, we'll learn first of 3 steps. Number one is how can we find LSI keywords? Second, how we can find questions related to our topic. And third one, we understood how to find out the keywords of a competitor. What keywords have he used in his website? So here we saw some important steps which you should definitely do before researching keywords. And I hope you learned something new from this video. Till our next video, we will meet our next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.